Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to add your Visa gift card to Nintendo Switch. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is you want to head over to Nintendo's website. From here, you want to click on Games, Shop Games, and just pick whatever game you want to buy. For example, I'm going to click on Zelda. Make sure it's the game you want to buy. For this example, I'm going to get the physical version and hit on Add to Cart. From here, you want to click Secure Checkout. Make sure everything matches your wants. Make sure everything is in order and head to checkout. Type in your password. Fill in all of the boxes. For example, 123 Main Street. Select your shipping method. For example, let's go standard. Let's continue to payment. So from here, you want to type in your Visa gift card details. That way, you can add your Visa gift card to Nintendo Switch. And you want to click on Purchase. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, subscribe to our channel, and if you have any more questions, leave a comment down below. So thanks again for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one.